Ninja DT201 Foodi 10-in-1 XL Pro Air Fry Digital Countertop Convection Toaster Oven with Dehydrate and Reheat, 1800 watts, stainless steel finish. True surround convection, up to 10x the convection power versus a traditional full-size convection oven for faster, crispier, and juicy results. 10-in-1 versatility, air fry, air roast, bake, whole roast, broil, toast, bagel, dehydrate, reheat, and pizza all in one powerful 1800 watt appliance. Faster cooking, 90-second oven preheat time and up to 30% faster cooking than a traditional full-size convection oven. XL family size, capacity 2-level even cooking, no rotating required, fit a 5 lb. Chicken and a sheet pan of vegetables, 2 1/2-inch pizzas, or a 12 lb. Turkey, less fat, eat all of your air-fried favorites guilt-free with up to 75% less fat when using the air fry function versus traditional deep frying. Tested against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries. Digital display handle, the optimal oven rack positions will illuminate based on the selected function. When the door is open, display settings freeze to prevent any accidental changes to the cook cycle. Crispier results, up to 30% crispier results versus a traditional convection oven. Perfect for baking, up to 50% more even baking results versus a leading countertop oven. Easily cook for large groups, make 2 sheet pan meals at once for entertaining or weekly meal prep. What's included: countertop oven, 2 sheet pans, 2 wire racks, air fry basket, roast tray, crumb tray, and DT200 series owner's guide. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.